Let's embark on a desert adventure. I'm Explorer Mew Mew. Come with me and seek treasure chests in the desert. Follow the treasure map, and you'll find the treasure chest. Wow, look! There's a pangolin! Pangolin! Pangolin is digging into the mound to eat the termites. I love to eat termites. Can you help me catch them? Awesome! You've helped Brother Pangolin! Let's keep exploring! Look, there are some ostriches! Ostrich! What's wrong, baby ostrich? I want to eat some bugs. Can you help me? The baby ostriches are all full. Well done. Let's keep going. Look, there's a camel. Camel. Look, it's Mr. Camel.
Oh no, here comes the wolf. I have to run quickly.
Mr. Camel can run even faster if eating the cactus. Just ahead, look, there are some meerkats. Meerkat. The mommy and baby meerkats are playing hide and seek. All my babies are very well hidden. Come and help me find them. Excellent! We found all the naughty baby meerkats. Wow, so many stickers! Look, it's a new treasure map. Follow the treasure map, and you'll find the treasure chest. Look, there are some ostriches. Cool, the ocean is full of little creatures. Do you want to look with me? Hello, I'm the ocean doctor, Mew Mew. Ocean rescue, let's go! need to rescue him quick! There's so much trash stuck to the pufferfish. Let's clean it off! Tap the pufferfish. Help him to release the air. The pufferfish has been rescued. The pufferfish is hungry. Can you feed it? Ocean animals will protect you! What's wrong with the whale? Oh dear, the whale has eaten a lot of trash. We need to clean his stomach out. Help remove the trash from the whale's stomach. The whale's stomach is clean. It's healthy now. The whale is hungry. He wants to eat a lot. Ocean animals will protect you. The dolphin's been hurt badly. The dolphin has been scratched by the fish hook. There are lots of germs. We need to clean them out. You did amazing! The dolphin's wound is healed! The dolphin wants to eat fish. Can you feed him? Ocean animals will protect you! The hermit crab can't move? Oh no! A boulder fell on hermit crab! We gotta help him! The hermit crab needs a shell like this. Can you help him find it? The hermit crab is happy now. Thank you. The hermit crab is hungry. Let's feed him. Ocean animals will protect you! turtle looks hurt. This isn't good. The turtle ate something dirty and got poisoned. We need to save. Oh no, the ocean currents have pushed the turtle down. Try again. Great! The turtle has been saved! The turtle looks hungry. Let's feed him some seaweed. There are so many little animals in the forest. Let's have a look together.
I am an excellent hunter. Silent. I don't want the goat to run away.
Hold the tiger to keep him from being seen by his prey.
Quiet. I am going to catch the little rabbit.
Hold the tiger to keep him from being seen by his prey.
Hush. I am going to take down the baby llama.
Hold the tiger to keep him from being seen by his prey. Let's embark on a desert adventure.